Hi again. In this short video, I'm going to present you the Excel password and account manager. In this short video, because I want to keep it short, I am going to show you everything that this file can do, from managing all your accounts with strong password generation to auto locking and protecting your data. So once you will open the file, after you set up your password, this is everything you can do. What options do you have? First time you have to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you'll be able to preview all the statistics, categories in use, unique accounts, unique website, how many passwords are valid, how many are expired, and also the number of the password that will expire soon. You'll have the option to filter the results based on category, account, email or username, or just to preview all the expired passwords or the one that are about to expire. Okay, once you are previewing any account returned by the filter, you have the option to check this checkbox associated to any account, and on the right side you'll have very nicely returned all the details related to that selected account. Just check and you'll be able to preview anything. Okay, you have here as a further matter of security, you have the option to hide all the password returned from your database. Just select here mask passwords, yes or no. In case you select no, all the passwords will be revealed and available to be readable. If you all select yes for the mask passwords, will be returned as a hidden password and will not be able to preview it unless you select preview all details from this checkbox. The password will be displayed here. Okay, further speaking about the security matters, you have the option to also hide your master key. Simply from here select no, it will be revealed, and each time when you enter the password will remain readable. If you want to keep it secure and no one to be able to read your password, just mask your key from this option, yes or not, and it will be readable only while you are typing it. After that it will be completely hidden and no one will be able to read your password. Forward, after you have provided your password, you have the option to unlock the vault. The vault, what it is basically the database where you can record all your accounts with their passwords. It is very simple. It doesn't need many explanation. You have to select basically the category. From here, this category list is built on the master key. You have here the master key with the option to record any categories for your accounts, and further just add the options based on the required fields: accounts, website, username, passwords, last updated, two-factor 2FA authentications, questions and answers. Further on top of these passwords and accounts database, you have the option to generate a secure password, and this is not just a secure but a very secured one. You have the option to select how many characters do you need your passwords to have, and you can go from 8 up to 30 characters. So if I want to have a 15 characters long password, just change the option here 15 and it will be generated a 50 characters long password. You have the option to include to use or no, uppercase. Same thing for lowercase, use lowercase or no. Same thing for symbols, use or no, and numbers, yes or no. If you select no to any of these options, it means that the password generated, it will not include that option. Forward with the last tab, the master key, very important. If you leave this empty, this field empty, when you open the file, you will be able to access anything without a password required. Okay, let's presume I have this empty. Save the file and close. when I open the file again, because I have no password set up for this file, as you see, everything it is revealed. I can unlock and access my password, my accounts database. I can access my master key. Okay, and anyone who will have access to this file will be able to do whatever they want with this file, reading all my data, updating, recording any new data in here, uh, recording any new data in here without being needed to provide a password. But once I record a password in here and save the file, once I open this, everything is locked. No statistics provided, no filter options working. It will not return anything. Okay, unless I provide the password from my master key. So I have the password set up as password. As you see, now everything is readable. Everything is unlocked. I can access my database, my password vault. I can access my master key. Okay, so keep in mind that this is the password that will lock or unlock anything and everything. It is case sensitive, and you should set up and keep it in mind. The auto lock option, this refers to the how many seconds of inactivity do you want the system to lock itself. So right now it's set up to 10 seconds. If I'm not doing anything on this file for 10 seconds, the file will lock by itself. And let's just prove it here. Leave it 10 seconds. I will not do anything in this system, and once the system it detects inactivity for this file and it's going to 10 seconds of inactivity, it will lock itself. So not doing anything right now. Okay, it detected inactivity and locked the file. As you see, I'm not able to access the password vault. I'm not able to access the master key. No data return, no statistics shown, nothing. If I try to unlock the vault and the master key, the system tells me that it is an incorrect password. I have not provided anything. In case I'm trying any passwords, the system detects that it is a wrong password, and I cannot do anything. I cannot unlock the vault. I cannot see any passwords, any account. I cannot see and do anything. Only if I provide the password I set up here in the master key. So keep this secure and your system will be completely secured. I hope this is something you will use, and if you have any questions, you know where you can find us. Thank you and have a great day.